Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you a proper way, and my preferred way, my favorite way, of folding up your uniform, your judo gi, and tying it closed. Okay, so here you can see I've got a uniform, I've got a nice blue Machado dynamic martial arts gis. You can lay it out here. You open it up and get it nice and flat. Make sure everything's good in here. The pants I'm going to fold pretty much like you would fold them if you were going to hang them up on a hanger. So just like so, and then kind of down the middle, halfway right here. So I like to put the fold to the top part of the collar inside of the gi, and then we close the gi up the same way that we would wear it, left over right, just like so. Now there's a few different ways of doing this, but like I said, this is my favorite way because this will actually show the patch on the back of the gi. So now I fold this this gi to where you can see kind of more than halfway here, and then I take the sleeve and extend it downward. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, which kind of closes this up, right? And then I put the sleeve facing downward again. Now, with this fold here, I'm going to fold it right in the middle, and you can see the patch is going to show. I turn it around so that is now facing me. Now I take the belt, I find the middle of the belt. Now ironically, this is how I learned how to tie a belt on somebody else. I'm going to run the middle of the belt about the middle of the gi, right here. I'm going to lay it across. And lay it across again. I'm going to flip the gi over. And then we do it again. And then I flip the gi over one more time. And now we go crisscross. We make the X. I bring the top part of the X up underneath everything. I tuck that underneath everything, just like so. Pull it snug. And then we make our second X. Bring it up and through. And then we've got our square knot. And we can see the patch up. And carry it just like so. Also, you can stuff your flip-flops inside there. You can carry other things inside there. You can throw it over your shoulder and carry it like a backpack. So that is my favorite way of folding up the gi and tying it closed.